steak in the toaster, waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then Natalie P. What you gonna do with all that cash? Gonna stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. What you gonna do with all that green?
Chcete nějak pomoct? Něco?
Já to takhle musím vytáhnout a...
Já zastavím vejš a když tak bych píchnul taky.
The toaster, waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then Natalie P. What you gonna do with all that cash?
Ty vole, na koních, ty vole.
All nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. What you gonna do with all that cash? Gonna stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. jsem ještě nebyl schopný najít návod.
Why you're always trying so hard to make me surrender? Why you always in my face? Do you really think it's over? 'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down, too much until it's numb, and there's nobody. Nobody can still my fire. Nobody can still my soul. Nobody can still my soul. Nobody can still my fire. Nobody can still my soul. Nobody can still my soul.
Šéfe, tady nemůžete parkovat, ty vole.
Now the sword is in my hands. I'm holding on for dear life. If you try to take it away from